Never really filmed a YouTube video before, but today I'll be replacing the fan on my TD42 GQ Patrol. So yeah, I'm probably just going to do a quick time lapse of it. I don't know how long they'll go for or anything like that, but I'll just time lapse it and put a bit of music in the background or something, and yeah, show you guys when it's done. But I'm replacing it with a QUIKAZ fan. I've heard they go alright and they help with the temperatures and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Just finished replacing the fan. As you can see, the new one's in there. Done up all those bolts. Had to do all these. It wasn't too hard. I watched another video of another bloke doing it. Pretty much just take this off, and then from there you take off the fan itself, which is fuck. Once you take this off, you can reach these bolts in there, and you can undo those bolts, and after you undo that, the fan should come off, and which allows easier access to these to then take that off. When you put it back on, you can just slot the whole entire thing on. It's a bit of mucking around fiddling with these bolts. I had to turn the key a couple times just to get it to spin so I could line all these up properly. But yeah, was able to tighten it all in and get it all good. So yeah, but the old one, I later learned that it doesn't really matter, but just for sort of safety thing, I can see on every one of the blades themselves, they were all cracked, so I just thought it'd be a pretty good maintenance thing to do. Yeah, probably going to be a short video. Well, that was a short video, I'm assuming. But I probably will be posting another one soon. I brought a JRP, I think, or JRC. Can't remember the name of it, but a race gauge, so we'll see how that goes. That'll be another install video. And then on top of that, I'm looking at turboing it because it is just naturally aspirated, so slow as shit. That looks like crap. But yeah, once I turbo it, I'll be able to put in all the gauges, and there'll be a couple of videos. Yeah, it should be good fun. I'll give you a quick look of the bus. Called 4.2. Absolute lemon. Oh, fuck. You also got some spare hoses as well, just from a spares box, but just a typical GQ really, nothing special about it. Clock works, all that good stuff. But yeah. Normally starts better than that, but yeah. Seems to all work pretty good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Probably shit house, never really made one before, so we'll see how it turns out. But yeah, sticking for the next one. Cheers.